Hi, I'm Stanley-Manock and I'm the Paid Media Director here at Connective 3. I'm going to talk to you today about the secrets of unlocking valuable clicks in your PPC. The first thing to think about when you're doing that is there an opportunity in the first place? So first thing to do is head over to your impression share reports and have a look at impression share lost due to ad rank. If there's a good impression share lost, then that means there's a really good opportunity to go at. So what we'd recommend doing with this is then making Google want to show your ad more and therefore increase your ad rank. And there's 3 different ways in which we'd recommend that you do this. The first one is pay Google more, because that's exactly what they're about, is the ad revenue. It always works. However, appreciate we don't want to be just increasing our cost per click, cost per acquisition for campaigns, because all that's going to do is make it less efficient. However, if you want to increase your bids for people that you know are going to buy with you, to make sure that you're at the top of the page and then being very, very visible to those people, then that's a much, much better use of budget. So we'd recommend doing analysis based on time of day, day of week, top performing devices, top performing audiences, and also locations. And then by the time you've done all that analysis, you'll work out the top performing things. So is it the fact that somebody is in Leeds, it's 9 AM on a Tuesday, and they're on a mobile device, and we know that those people convert really well, then brilliant, increase your bids for those people. So make Google want to show you by giving them more budget, but only giving them more clicks, but only for ads that are going to convert. The second thing is to increase the estimated performance off the back of it. So, and there's 2 ways in which we can do this. The first one is to increase your click-through rate. So refresh your ads, take a look at your ads, see which ones are performing best. Make sure that you've got responsive search ads in there. Maybe do your testing in your expanded text ads, take the learnings from that, put that into your responsive search ads. And then also make sure that you're using all the real estate on the page, so all the different snippets and extensions that are available to make sure that you're maxing out that real estate and driving relevance. And then the last thing is to review your landing page. Make sure that the page you're taking people to is relevant, make sure it's got really strong calls to action, and that it loads nicely. And then do some testing on that. Do some A/B testing maybe, and just test a couple of different landing pages, because sometimes behaviour changes and sometimes the results surprise you. And then test. Make sure that you're constantly testing all these different things and constantly optimising your account to make sure that you get the best ad rank.